PAVTECH performs a pothole repair test in 1 minute without any equipment on a very busy street. Step 1. Fill the pothole with gravel, leaving 2 to 3 inches of empty space before pouring the iSphalt 6.5. Step 2. Level the product with your boots and compact it with your weight. We pour water to demonstrate that the product can be used in wet conditions. As you can see, with car traffic, the product is placed on its own, at the same level of the surrounding asphalt. The repair is permanent and designed to last for years. iSphalt 6.5, a nanotechnology cold asphalt mix for permanent pothole repair. Easy to use, with or without equipment, in all weather conditions. The product is available in Canada and the United States. PAVTECH's iSphalt 6.5, a revolutionary product that promotes low-carbon government for a more sustainable future.